very warm welcome once again. We really can take a look into the future today. Herzlichen Glückwunsch an NexWafe, Germany with the EpiNex.
Well, NexWafe is a spin-off from the Fraunhofer Institute, ESA, and we've developed and commercializing a revolutionary approach to the way solar wafers are made. We can produce thinner wafers, which the market's going to. We use far less energy than the standard process.
In addition to just saving money and saving energy, we can actually make the wafers more performant. We can actually engineer the properties, and the standard way of making wafers has not been innovated in for over 80 years, so it's ripe for disruption.
Germany's NexWafe aims to revolutionize solar cell production with its EpiNex wafers. Its direct gas-to-wafer technology eliminates the need for polysilicon production, ingot pulling, and wafer sawing, preventing kerf losses. EpiNex wafers are manufactured using an in-line, large-area process for seed wafer perovskification and silicon epitaxy. The silicon layers are grown on top of a seed wafer to a desired thickness. They offer a direct drop-in replacement for existing HGT, TOPCon, and IBC wafers. EpiNex wafers can achieve a thickness of just 50 micrometers, less than half of those produced conventionally. The company claims its wafers can reduce silicon losses by 90%, energy use by 60%, and manufacturing cost by 50% when production begins in 2025. NexWafe's solution can improve the sustainability of solar cell manufacturing and support next-gen wafer production in Europe and other regions of the world.
Yes, I'm very happy. I'm very proud. Thank you for the award and the opportunity to be here tonight.